kapag sinimulan nating tanggapin si Maria bilang ina, sumunod sa kanyang halimbawa, sumunod sa kalooban ng Diyos, we will still face the dragon. We will still labor here on earth. Remember, with Our Lady of Guadalupe at our side, it is not impossible. Rather, it is possible for us to learn how to accept and obey God's will. In this way, we could experience the real meaning of what La Supe or Guadalupe, to crush the serpent, to crush the evil in our lives by our faithful obedience to God. With her as our mother, it is not impossible. Rather, it is possible for us to be bearers of Jesus to the world today that needs Him more than ever.